Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also check out my other website, hardbackelectronics.com. So we have another Ameritron Al-811h here. Needs a new plate choke. It's burnt up over here. So I have a brand new one from Ameritron. I need to pull the socket assembly out. I'll ground the grids right to the metal, compress the socket clips, put the gas discharge tubes in. I'll remove the metal oxide varistor, do the 10-meter modification, and everything else that it needs. Needs new SO239 connectors. You can see this one just slips right in and out. So this one has some grip, but the other one just slips in and out, so I'll replace both with ones I get from Max Gain Systems. So I'm going to get to work, and I will see you soon. Oh, one other thing. Also needs new straps. These are frayed pretty bad. So, let's see. So I won't get this done today. I'll get everything done, but that I needed to order more material. I don't have enough. So, hey, see you guys soon. Stay tuned. I compressed the clips, added the gas discharge tubes, and I grounded the grid connection for each tube directly to the chassis. Just need to move this orange disc cap away like that. So I'm going to install the new plate choke and reinstall this whole assembly. You also want to make sure that these standoffs are nice and tight. A lot of loose hardware in this amp so far, so I'm checking everything. Okay, see you guys soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al-811h. I was waiting on the strap material, which I now have. So I replaced all of these straps, brand new plate choke, new meter protection diode. What else did I do? Took the whole assembly out, showed that in another video. Gas discharge tubes, grounded grids right to the metal. Took the gas discharge tube off the rear panel. Here the rear board, tightened up on all the screws. The metal oxide varistor off, changed the SO239s with brand new ones from Max Gain Systems. Tested full output on all bands, and this thing's all set. And also fixed some poor solder joints. Did everything you saw in the other video. So, tightened up on other hardware. So if you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. Website is amprepairguy.com, and my other site is hardbackelectronics.com. So I plan on adding at some point a page for Ameritron parts. I need to buy them in bulk, so I have to invest a lot of money. There's a lot of these manufacturers, like an air variable cap could be like $100-something for one, but then the price could like drop in half, you know, if I buy like a whole bunch, but I have to put out a lot of money. Same with rotary switches and other stuff. So this is a great amp. I work on a lot of these. Great amplifiers. Just some quality control issues from the factory. Guy who designed this, he did a really good job, you know. But you know, the 811 tubes create a lot of problems. That's why I only use 572s. And I've been seeing a lot of amps where other people try to work on them, like other repair shops, and they do some things and they don't take care of everything, and then it has to get fixed again, or the customer tries to fix it, or whoever got it, the customer got it from had problems, you know, and then they try to fix it. But I've been doing this for over 20 years now, and for the past 15 years I do this. I've been doing this every day, so I have a lot of experience. As you see from my videos, I'm very thorough. Same thing over and over again. I don't cut any corners. I do what's needed. I don't do any extra stuff to earn more income, and less is more. The more you add that's not needed, the more likely you're going to have a problem. I could create secondary problems. So after this, I have another one in the box. It's either an just a 3-tuber or 4-tuber. I don't know. I have to pull it out of the box. I won't post that today. I only like to put one on a day, but I'll work on that next. And then I have an amp supply amp, and I just never ends here. But I get things done quick. I filled some hardback. I stayed up late last night. Filled some hardback orders. Got those shipped out. I'm trying to get those out within one business day. So far, they've all been within one business day. Even weekend, like Saturday, you know, to get stuff to the post office. So, you know, if I get the order overnight, I'll get it out the next morning. If it's during the day and I can make the post office that closes, I believe at 4:30, I forget. I'll get it out same day, but and then next day if possible. So I love just get things done. I just in out, in out, in out, you know. So again, all I do, I'm not someone that does this on the side or just started doing it. Power to those people, but if you want something done right, just no corners cut, whatever, give me a call. So 203-892-4119. Please like, share, and subscribe once again. And I will catch you guys later. And this got a brand new setup, Pentalab 572p tubes. So 73.